So let's just say at 1 o'clock.
I almost videotaped the braking of the car. Wasn't as
A mobile tech arrived to fix the door handle of my car, and it's
nah, I'm cool with it. Man, people have cut my body for surgery. I'm gonna cry about a car. So this is the inside. Oh my god!
That's the inside of the door.
And for a recap, everybody, this was my workaround for the handle not presenting. It was putting this hair tie. I cut the hair tie, and then I looped it through after prying it with just prying the handle open, and then tied it. And I was using that for a few days until
a mobile tech arrived to fix the door handle of my car, and it's 1:35. So like in 30 minutes, the door came off.
the handle's coming out now. Kind of ish. Bye.
Yeah, you can see. That's the gear right there.
That was jingly jangling because it wasn't what's it supposed to look like?
I can show you.
Oh, you're gonna do it anyways. And that's what was jingly jangling. And then why was the motor just kept running and running and running? Because it just wasn't.
Yeah, it's not attached to the handle, and there's two
Oh.
sensors inside the handle that tell the car, hey, you know, the handle's presented or retracted.
Oh, and it wasn't communicating, so it just kept.
Exactly.
All right. Unless I see what one's supposed to look like. More drilling out. I guess the Model 3s are designed a little bit different, but I still want my Model S to do what she does.
Yeah. Yeah, the Model 3s have a different style door handle. They're actually pretty cool because it's all mechanical instead of all the electronics mumbo jumbo on here. It's still cool.
Yeah, but they don't auto-present when you walk up to it. Like, I like that for some reason.
Exactly.
Oh no, Tara's handle! Oh, that whole piece is getting replaced?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
So you're getting a brand new door handle.
Oh, bye-bye, piece. Only, just for that little thing?
Yep.
Oh no. Hi, Tara broke on me, so we're replacing her handle. How's Alaska?
Good. I just got back
Welcome back.
2 hours.
Welcome back.
She's glad to see the sun.
It's dark over there, huh?
Tesla's beautiful as always.
Thanks. Look at the door. Look at.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
For a handle.
For a handle. Because of the handle, yeah. So it's a whole new piece. Anyways. Bye.
1:35. So like in 30 minutes, the door came off. Pieces came off. The handle came off. The chrome piece and this other mechanical, electrical actually piece came off. And then attached the chrome handle to a new electrical handle piece, and then put the door back on. Like 30 minutes. Even with me like interrupting.
More footage. Love people use things.
like in 30 minutes. The door came off, pieces came off. It would have been faster if I didn't chatty chat. Happy today, happy every day.